We are in Kajiado, very hot arid area, but I have this wonder plant that is making me money, and I want to share this idea with you guys. I also want you to experience Mola, experience the joy in farming, and keep glowing. I am here. I produce videos about farming and how to make good farming practices, how to get the right seeds so that you're winning from the start, and also how to help you with market linkages. I understand that farmers, one, answer this question: are you struggling to get your product to the market? Are you making sure that you're getting the right prices? Mabroka wamekuja and they're trying to slaughter you when you've worked so hard. Usitikie hiyo maneno. And what Farmer on Fire does is that we include people in our community, in our family, and we say that we will do anything for you if you are part of our membership plan. And so we are able to link you with market. I'm not saying that I look for market for people. Our company doesn't do that. We just link you to the market so that we are not getting a cut. As we are just happy when our farmers are thriving. So join us today. And today we are discussing purple ngwashes. Purple ngwashes, unaona hii stem inakaa hivi. Hata kama the leaves look like normal ngwashe, this stem is purple. And eventually the tubers will become purple. This is a new variety that has come into the market lately. Ukienda huko Village Market, Carrefour, ShopRite, utapata hizi ngwashe. They are orange and they are very beneficial to your body because they have carotenoid. Carotenoid ni any coloring matter. So unasikia daktari anakuambiaga, oh my god, it's raining, but we are not stopping to shoot. Daktari anakuambia the more colorful your plate is, the more healthier your meal is. So this is a purple ngwashe that will make sure that your body is getting all the benefits that you need in your body. Don't just eat ngwashe, the white one, the kawaida one. Add spice to it. We also have orange ones that we are going to shoot in a different video. So make sure you subscribe to see such content. So today we are discussing the purple ngwashe. And the first thing you can do is that once I've been using this product to make it look like this, and we are in the middle of Kajiado where crops look like they are struggling and the sun is too hot even if you're irrigating. But this product helps with that. It helps food taste good. It has very high phosphorus, which helps food taste good. It has good potassium, which helps with root development. Root ikishika hivi inaenda haraka. Whoa, it's raining for sure. But yes, so all you need is to cut a few stems of this, and as soon as they hit the ground, because of adding this product which is called NutriPlant, you are able to get your ngwashes growing very fast. So we sell these tubers, we just cut like this and we sell you like this. So ukienda hii upande tu chini hivi, itashika and it will grow to become its own plant. And as you can see, it not only becomes one, but also it gives birth to other stems that even you can start selling in the future. People are looking for this product everywhere. Orange ngwashe and purple ngwashe are high-end products. Si vitu tu za kawaida, si zile za 50 bob per kilo. This is things that are being bought by people who understand the product, and why not become one of them? The other thing why I love this crop is because it's good soil cover. Mungu vile alifikiria, hakutaka mchanga ikae tu hivyo bare. He didn't want it to stay bare. Inakaanga kama kinonda because the soil is active underneath, preparing and rejuvenating itself after you farmed for years and years. So it's always good to leave it to have soil cover. So God made grass to make sure that it's covered at all times, and that's why you have these practices called zero cultivation coming up. Juu wanataka ukwe na zero tillage. Usishinda ukilimalima shamba yako, una disrupt, ni kama unachimbua skin. So let's have as much soil cover as possible because it also mulches for the product. So it also mulches for the plant. Ina provide cover, jua ikichapa haingi huko chini kumaliza maji and moisture from the soil, so that you can be able to continue farming whether you have rainfall or not. So guys, this is the other benefit why I love these ngwashes. These ngwashes also, you can be able to to make chips from it, crisps as well, and you can be able to make a colorful meal for your children. I know a lot of people are struggling. Kwanza mimi, I'm one of those parent where my daughter just wants cornflakes, hataki sijui nini, I don't eat this, I don't eat this, and they're just 3 years old. But with such things, colorful plate of purple and orange gouaches in your plate, you can be able to entice your children. You can still be able to entice everyone, because it's a high carbohydrate, it's a carbohydrate dense breakfast. I don't have to give you the advantages of eating gouache in the morning compared to eating bread, because as much as they are both carbs, this one is more nutritious and it has high fiber, which helps with your system to just make sure it's clean, inakuwa kama kifagio. And then the other benefit is that it's able to stay in your stomach for longer. You don't feel your hunger pangs or your cravings when you've eaten gouache in the morning compared to when you've eaten other carbs. So guys, get these vines today. I am selling them. They are hot cake, and especially now that it's rainy season, make sure you get your own. And also get these products. It's 1 liter. It goes for 4,000 shillings, but a little goes a long way. Kifuniko moja inaingia kwa pump moja. Kifuniko moja ni 20 ml, and that means that this 1 liter can go to about 100 pumps. I've been staying with this product for very long. Wale wametumia, they know the benefits of it. And the other added thing is that if you buy NutriPlant, you get a commission for buying. If you bring other people and go tell other farmers about the benefits of this plant, you also get paid a commission for that. So guys, there is nothing that is not to love. I am just here sharing about opportunities. I want farmers to thrive. I want agribusiness to be the next frontier, because surely the rest of the world will be coming here to look for food. So let us be prepared. Let us be equipped with products that are going to guarantee our success. Sawa guys, thank you, and please subscribe.